Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I want to show you my little Scratch Cards plugin. So with the help of the plugin you can create items and can add Scratch Cards to your game, and you can define how many lines and how many rows this Scratch Card has and what the win percentage is, and yeah, then you can test your luck. I wasn't lucky at all in this case. And yeah, there are several different ways to create those tickets. So in this case, it's with a silver background, and you can also use the buttons to scratch it, and or use the mouse like I did before, or you can hit Shift to reveal all. And if I open that next ticket, and you can see that I wasn't lucky. To set it up, you have two different ways. So you can either link the ticket to an item, like in the example, or you can open it directly from a plugin command. We will link this to items now. So the first thing you need to do is add an item. So I already created this bronze ticket. I set it to not consumable. Occasion can be a menu screen, so you can only use it in the menu. And scope can be none, but it really doesn't matter. So now we hit OK, and we open the Scratch Cards plugin, and it already loads in 3 examples that you can take a look at. So we take the bronze ticket, and the linked item is the bronze ticket that we created before. So when we use this item, then our ticket will get shown. You can set a picture or the color. You can set the scratch cover picture and customize it as you like. Here are the rows and columns. I leave it at 3. And also you need to set the win chance. So it's a 35% win chance in this case, and this means in 35% of the cases, one of those here that you created here will win. And you can use the weight here to set who will win more often. So a higher weight means a higher win chance. So as you can see, everything is already set up, so you have a working example, and all you really needed to do is change the linked item, so you can use that item. You can change the text and the win sounds, you can add a scratch sound, and then you simply hit OK. Use an NPC to give you one of those tickets, or you can directly open a ticket with a plugin command. So you can here open and use a card ID which you created, and afterwards you hit OK. In this case I only use the item method, and now you can see that I can open those tickets and scratch with everything I have, so either with a mouse or the keyboard, or reveal it completely. And yeah, that's already it with this plugin overview. Just a quick information, there is a birthday sale going on my HIO page, so you get everything off 50%. So if you maybe wanted to buy something, there's maybe a good chance to do it now. And yeah, if you find bugs or want to request features or plugins, you can join the Discord. You can find this plugin on HIO, the links will be in the description. And yeah, that's it. Have a nice day and see you soon.